All right, let the unboxing commence. I got something a day earlier than I was expecting it. And yep, my Deliverance, haha. Playmats. So I did the all-in package, and as you've heard, it is a big playmat. Wow. Nice little. So we have the entire town. Playmat, but it's not so much a playable playmat. So, first here, we have a bunch of the tokens. All right, I repositioned myself. Here we have the courage tokens. Very nice. And a very thick, heavy coin. I believe we have the Brooks Cindy's here. Yep. I see. One of our not so friendly enemies. The hateful fiend is right here. Here we have an angel named Christine. There's a bad guy, Herod. Tuvalu. Yeah. He looks a little different, or very different from Stargate. There's in a ball. We've seen one of those already. Sardius. Azrael. Uriel. Fallen Seraph. Masked Evil. So, let's see. So the stands are very basic but good. This guy's not quite. Fitting. Perhaps just something has to be worked on. There we go. Azrael fit. more. All right. And now, okay, to the big deal. Yeah. Love Thy Nerd approved. All right. Oh. So that's nice. Tear. As much. All right. Here's Deliverance. All the various tokens. Rulebook. Tokens for the bad guys. And a variety of tokens. We got our angels down here and more bad guys. And the miniatures. Yeah. So I guess you can play with tokens or minis or acrylic standees. It's a nice little choice. A flaming sword here. And the dice. All right, pull off that. And we get to the board. Sorry. The Deliverance of Fallbrook. Fallbrook, California is the town this takes place in. Live up your Deliverance skills, learn the essentials to win Deliverance games, and get advanced strategy tips that will help you complete most challenging Deliverance content at playdeliverance.com/strategy. These are the boards, and they are, let's see, 101A right there, and 101B. So as you're playing through the campaign story mode, these are double-sided, and it'll tell you which ones to use. There's the Heavenly Treasure board. Cheat sheets. We have the Intercessor, which is needed for the solo game. Character boards. So here we have different abilities. Each one's different. There's Gabriel, Michael, who has some tattoos. Michael has tattoos. Miko. And on the back, you find the lore and the inspiration. Also, this little thing comes for the campaign. Do not open until instructed by the campaign book. And then we have more player boards, or not player boards, but prince boards. So the various leaders of the demonic hordes. And the different demon types. Meddling and masked evil. Hateful fiend. So and the organizer looks pretty carefully laid out, so things can go back in their place. Fairly succinctly. But here's Deliverance. I will be running this at Grand Con next weekend, and I'm excited to have Deliverance.